Greetings, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the luscious world of Vietnamese strawberry juice, or Nuoc Dau. But wait, there's a twist. We'll be diving deep into the unknown, unveiling fascinating facts that will leave you astonished. So, let's jump right in. To truly appreciate Nuoc Dau, we must first delve into its intriguing history. Contrary to popular belief, strawberries weren't always a staple in Vietnam's culinary landscape. Creating a Vietnamese fruit smoothie is a delightful and straightforward process that captures the vibrant flavors of local fruits. Here's a quick overview of the steps involved. Creating Vietnamese strawberry juice, Nuoc Dau, is a simple and delightful process that captures the essence of fresh strawberries. Here's a quick overview of the steps involved. Ingredients: fresh strawberries. Sugar, optional. Water. Preparation: wash the strawberries thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Remove the green stems and hulls from the strawberries. Mashing, optional. If you prefer a pulpier texture, gently mash some of the strawberries with a fork or muddler to release their juices. Blending: place the cleaned and prepared strawberries in a blender. Sweetening, optional. Depending on your preference and the sweetness of the strawberries, you can add a bit of sugar to enhance the flavor. Start with a small amount and adjust according to taste. Blending process: blend the strawberries until they turn into a smooth puree. For a smoother texture, strain the blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds or solids. Adjusting consistency: add water to the strawberry puree to achieve your desired consistency. Some prefer a more concentrated flavor, while others prefer a lighter drink. Stir the mixture well to ensure the water and strawberry puree are thoroughly combined. Place the strawberry mixture in the refrigerator to chill for at least an hour before serving. Stir the chilled strawberry juice before pouring it into glasses. Serve the refreshing Nuoc Dau with ice cubes if desired and relish the delicious taste of fresh strawberries. Tips: choose ripe and fragrant strawberries for the best flavor. Adjust the sugar level based on your taste and the natural sweetness of the strawberries. You can also add a splash of lemon juice for a hint of tanginess. Experiment with adding mint leaves or basil for a refreshing twist. Have you ever wondered how those vibrant red strawberries make their way from the farm to your glass? It's a fascinating journey. These berries thrive in the cool climate of Đà Lạt and Sa Pa. The farmer's dedication and meticulous care ensure the juiciest, most flavorful strawberries are handpicked for the ultimate Nuoc Dau experience. Preparing Nuoc Dau is an art that's been passed down through generations. The strawberries are carefully washed, hulled, and sometimes even gently mashed to release their essence. The juice is then extracted, capturing the true essence of the fruit's flavor and aroma. Did you know that Nuoc Dau isn't just delicious but also packed with nutrition? These little red gems are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and other vital nutrients. This delightful juice is believed to promote skin health, boost immunity, and even aid digestion. A true elixir of well-being. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure. Nuoc Dau isn't limited to just a refreshing drink. It's a versatile ingredient that adds a delightful twist to both sweet and savory dishes. From strawberry-infused desserts to savory sauces and salads, the possibilities are endless. Nuoc Dau isn't just a beverage. It holds cultural significance in Vietnam. The vibrant red color symbolizes luck and prosperity. In Đà Lạt, the annual Strawberry Festival celebrates the harvest with music, dance, and of course, a delightful array of strawberry-based treats. Legend has it that strawberries are associated with the ethereal realm in Vietnamese folklore. The story of the Strawberry Girl tells of a fairy who descended to earth and transformed strawberries into symbols of purity and love. These enchanting tales continue to inspire. As Vietnam embraces modernity, Nuoc Dau has evolved too. Creative mixologists and chefs are constantly innovating, blending tradition with modernity. Strawberry cocktails, mocktails, and fusion dishes are gaining popularity, appealing to both locals and visitors alike. While Nuoc Dau brings joy, there are challenges too. Climate change and shifting weather patterns pose threats to strawberry cultivation. However, farmers and organizations are working together to implement sustainable practices, ensuring the longevity of this beloved fruit. There you have it, friends. Nuoc Dau, a sweet nectar woven into the fabric of Vietnam's culture and cuisine. From its intriguing history to its modern adaptations, this luscious strawberry juice continues to captivate hearts and palates. So, here's to the unknown facts that make Nuoc Dau all the more enchanting. Thank you for joining us on this riveting journey into the world of Nuoc Dau. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring the flavors that make our world truly extraordinary. Cheers!